Hello, I'm changing my oil for the first time on a 2017 Pacifica. What you need to buy is your filter, which is a number 11665, and according to my motor you need a 0 to 20 SAE oil, which will probably be synthetic. I couldn't find any normal conventional oil. See, then you need a 13 millimeter socket to take the oil plug out, and a 15/16 socket to take the oil filter holder out. Some extensions, a breaker bar for the first time might come in handy. A mirror for the first time would be handy, and a wide blade flat screwdriver. You gotta have that. So turn the wheel all the way to the right. Need a piece of carpet to lay on, and it's going to be an easy job, really. No jacking, no getting under the car. It's going to be easy. Have to have a shallow, like a 7-quart oil pan. The bigger kind that have a reservoir, they won't fit under there, so you have to have a flat, shallow pan. Okay, going to stop and show how to reset the oil usage percentage reading. So hit your ignition switch a couple of times with your foot off the brake. Don't crank the car. Then you need to hit your OK button. Wait for Pacifica to go away. There's your speedometer. Now you can hit the up or down button to go to a different menu directory. You want to go to vehicle info, then go now it's on coolant. You want to go left or right till it gets to the oil reset, oil life. Okay, at this point you hold the OK button in and it will jump to 100%, and that's it. Hit your up or down, go back to speedometer, and you're all done. Turn the ignition off. Okay, on the right front of the car, with the wheel turned clockwise, you can see the oil drain access panel. It's got a oil symbol and a large slot screw there to take it loose, and there's a little arrow pointing to a unlock symbol that shows you which way to turn the slotted screw. And it's kind of backwards. You turn it clockwise to get it loose. It takes a little effort. Then this panel drops down. With a little effort, you can wedge this panel out of here. As you can see, the drain plug is right there in easy reach, in plain sight. The oil pan fits right under there. Just for an experiment, I put 2 or 3 layers of black tape inside my socket to see if it would hold on to the drain plug when it comes out. Save from getting my hands messy. Okay, I'm going to see if I can take the drain plug out with an extension instead of getting oil all over my hands here. And it worked. It's always good to take the oil filler cap out to let the oil drain out freely. And while this is going on, I'm going to go take the oil filter out. So put your new filter cartridge in there and put your new seal ring where the old seal ring came out, and lubricate it with some oil. Put it back in there. And once again, a 15/16 fits mine perfectly. Just so tighten this back up. It just goes down so far, and it hits bottom. It's not like a conventional oil filter where you can over tighten it. Just once it hits bottom, you can't go much more. So don't stress it and damage something. So put your drain plug in the bottom, fill your system full of oil, your 5 quarts or whatever it calls for. Check for leaks and put your bottom cover on and your oil cap, and it's over. Be an easy job next time. Everybody have a good day.